biggest challenges as an agent is being able to provide solutions for my clients, not selling as is. There are a lot of minorities in the city who've had visions for properties and they don't necessarily have the resources to make it possible. So if I'm able to suggest using Curbio and to see my client walk in at the end when the renovations are complete, it's just all that more rewarding. Curbio has definitely landed me listings, definitely. The most frequent reasons that sellers hesitate to work with Curbio, I feel, is just the fact that it seems too good to be true and that no one else has offered such a product or service. My approach in bringing up Curbio to different sellers is there's no need to sell as is. You've worked hard, you've paid on this property, there's hard-earned equity in this property, and that should be in your pocket and not necessarily an investor's pocket. The biggest tool in easing fears working with Curbio is simply presenting the net sheet and showing them the difference selling as is versus after the home renovations. My advice to agents in using Curbio is to go for it. There's definitely value added. You're able to distinguish yourself as an agent. You're now providing something that other agents don't necessarily know about, and you are essentially fighting for your client's equity and putting money in their pocket, and they're definitely happy in the end.